I don't know, massive win this video. Mega win, max win. We don't need middleman, people, agencies, BS, all right? It's me, myself, and whoever I'm working with. Dream team. We're gonna win. Pull it up in the grocery store supermarket. It looks so good outside. It's gonna be one of those beautiful blue skies days. I got one person coming through to pick up another item that I've sold. I'm pretty keen to just like reschedule it so I can like get on my day. And Tony got the day off today, so we'll look at doing something fun. And I'm gonna preach a little bit. Preach what the universe and God has sent to my higher self. The word is that I have to really just calm the fuck down, and it feels like I'm being so reactive when I like to be extremely proactive. I think that's the best summary. And so it's like rolling with the punches as well. So I just have to roll with the punches, wait for this, do that. As well as like my job. My job previously was 4 years ago I was working in a kitchen, or 5 years ago I was working in a kitchen. And it's very like on the go, like do this, do that. And then for the last 4 years, it's so much slower paced. And so within this period of time, or the last like 3 days or so, it's like being even more slower paced and really having to like triple down, quadruple down on me, myself, as well as like God's word, and just trust. And I think that's, it's not trust is the hard thing, but it's just like, I don't know, just realizing that I'm actually like powerless, and the universe and God, if I put my trust in them, they will provide. And it sounds like I'm being like real hardcore preachy or anything like that, but I promise you I'm not like a religious nut or fanatic. It's just how I've always operated, and making like a massive move, it's even more prominent. So I'll pull you out a little bit later and then see what I'm up to. I gotta celebrate. I got a delicious pochi pot. You wanna be on camera? Look at that. Oh, over this way. Lamb chops, chicken drums. We've got another beer on the way. Just hand me a beer. Two. We already got brisket meat, onions, garlic, some turmeric going in. Do you shake it? Curry spice as well. Oh my god. LFC shoes. Cheers. 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 No, that's alright. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you guys. We got the witch's brew.
The original witch.
Okay, yeah, I find myself today at my rent's house. Have a look at this pizza, traditional pizza oven right there. Antonio right here. And we're making a pochi pot. This will be a continuation from Saturday's vlog. And I'll just show you real quick what I'm cooking up. This is what I'm doing. I'm knocking out everything in the week right now. We got brisket, onions, 29 bucks, 16 bucks, $16.99 a kg, $8.99 a kg pork leg. It's been sitting there 3 days in the fridge uncovered. Get that skin crispy. Veg on the bottom. Chicken soup. I really wanted some pho, but I didn't cook it with spices because I am looking to make or have soups for breakfast. Because I've been getting these cup soups. They've been really good. They've been really tasty. I've really been enjoying them. My campaign went live on Friday. There was a slam dunk. Absolutely knocked it out of the park. The client was happy. Everyone was happy. Super effortless, easy. That's just exactly how I love to work. So it's like a sign from the universe or God saying, oh my God, yeah, you know what? Get rid of the middleman. We don't need middleman, people, agencies, BS, all right? It's me, myself, and whoever I'm working with. Dream team. We're going to win. So I'm doing all my food for this week, and then maybe whatever else. And then what can I tell you? Oh yeah, Saturday. Saturday got absolutely thrashed. It was exactly what I needed. I really needed that pressure release because things were catching up, things were building up. Super grey, cold. Oh yeah, all right. So the food was so good on Saturday, so beyond delicious. We had pochi pot, lamb shoulder chops, smoked chicken drums, and I didn't hold back. I don't think I've drunk like that since, I don't know, maybe like 7-8 years, which is insane. But it was so crazy. I woke up on Sunday 5 a.m. because that's my normal pattern, my rhythm. Unfortunately, a sleeping would have been beautiful. And bloody my sciatica like pulled up, and I was like, what the hell? So I ran it off today. But I think the limitations are coming at the ripe age of, I don't know, under 30. I'm not even 30 yet, and my sciatica's playing games. But other than that, super cool. Super cool. Massive win. Yeah. Not even thinking about much, not stressing about much. Let whatever was last week fall away, and then let whatever stresses and chaos want to come up this week, then sure. New, out with the new, in with the old. Out with the old, in with the new. If you don't play to win, what are you doing? You're not even surviving. Like, what are you actually doing? And I want to leave it with a PSA to all the young people, all right? I just got thrashed on the weekend. I think all of you need to get thrashed too. Gen Z don't like drinking. I'll tell you what, you need to experience at least a season of getting thrashed. Is it the most role model thing to do? No, who cares? You know your stuff, you don't even care. A lot of Gen Z are going to nihilism. And if you don't know what nihilism is, Google it. Ask ChatGPT, not me. But go. Make sure you have some solid friends you're around. Get thrashed. Release some steam. Don't fight. Just drink their drink. Party in the clubs. Dance it away. And then, our economy at the moment it's pretty worse. It's 2008 housing crash, collapse, economic depression. I'm not sure what's going on, but we're definitely in a depression. The music needs to come back from that era. Things need to get way cheaper. And yeah, if we could, we just need to party the stresses away. Drink or not drink, doesn't matter. I'm going to be drinking my beers regardless, making the food delicious. And I hope everyone's doing well. That's my little catch up. And like, share, comment, subscribe. Get more updates from me. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I'm starting to post different content on each of the platforms too, which I think is only going to help differentiate between, because it's real hard getting people to move around, and so everyone gets a little different piece of me, which is real weird to say. Do I enjoy it? I'm not sure, but I'm enjoying making these YouTube videos. So I'll catch you again.